Hi, 7th graders. Right now we're going to look at DBQ Online Essay Builder, and we're going to look at the Restate the Question with Key Terms Defined category. This is something that should have been done in the beginning of our DBQ when we take a look at the analytical question. This example I'm giving you right now is a question dealing with Valley Forge. Would you have quit? In this particular example, the key term that should be defined is the word quit, because we need to really know what quit means. And in this case, it's involving the Continental Army, and you are a member of the Continental Army, and would you leave or stay in the Continental Army during their time at Valley Forge? So the word quit we defined as, would you re-enlist when your time is up, or would you go home when your time is up? So it's very important to define key terms, and that is restated here. All right, so if we would restate this question as an example, Valley Forge, would you have quit? If you were a soldier in Valley Forge, would you have re-enlisted, or would you have gone home? Could be an example of how we could redefine that question and give it some good key terms that help direct us in the right direction. Okay, thanks.